Learjet 280, monitor tower 132.22.
Runway niner, line up and wait, traffic line crossing runway. Step to 26, correct. Is there 65 runway heading, maintain 3000.
Runway heading up to, sorry, say it again, the altitude?
3000.
3000, JetBlue 206.
Tower Delta 1090 is on the ILS, 4 right.
Double 206, continue on runway heading, maintain 3000.
Runway heading, maintain 3000, JetBlue 206.
Double 206, maintain 4000. I'm sorry, climb maintain 4000.
Maintain 4000, JetBlue 206.
Opposite 280, contact departure today.
Roger, departure, thank you so much.
So 1090 Boston Tower, runway 4 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 4 right, L1090.
206, contact departure 133.0, turn right heading 090.
Alright, heading 090 and 133.0, JetBlue 206.
Boston departure, Hopjet 280, leaving 3,500, kilometer 5,000 in the SOX 6 departure.
Foxtrot 280, Boston departure, radar contact. JetBlue 206, when you get a second, can you let me know the reason for the go-around?
Tower instructed, JetBlue 206.
Good, thanks.